package from China.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in today's video we are going to do this build or this DIY handheld together with the Ipega, the tablet 10-inch Android from China, and with you, the Wickedfamily. So consider subscribing, hit the little bell, because I'm always talking about these kind of products. Already did a review about the Ipega and the tablet itself, but we're going to combine these to make this ultimate affordable DIY little gaming machine that you can take with you. So the Ipega is a controller that can be used for many different tablets. Would not say phone because this thing is quite gigantic. It looks a little bit like the WikiPad that I have reviewed before, but the most common problem with these Android devices are that they are just very expensive. And if you can find an affordable one, they are pretty old and very hard to find after quite some time. So we're going to build it together with the Ipega. It's a Bluetooth controller, so we're going to connect it wirelessly. And let's see what kind of tablet we're going to use in this build. Alright, so with the tablet, this is a little bit different story. I am going to use this old version. So this is more like, not a fake tablet from China. There are some, let's say, older versions out there with Android 4, 6, and etc. And the problem with these tablets are that they're having old software and they are not very powerful. But they are powerful enough to run some older emulation. That's what we're going to do today. It looks very nice, very sturdy. It's not an IPS screen and it's also not a full HD. But it depends if you want to build, let's say, this tablet slash combination of this ultimate machine. You can always grab yourself a Samsung or a very expensive tablet. But this thing costs not a lot. I think it's around $50. So we're going to use it for today's video. The first thing that we need to do is connecting the controller itself. So as you can see, there are quite some apps on this device and you can install them through the Play Store. Keep in mind, when you're using an old device, it's highly possible that you cannot install every single app. So you're limited to, let's say, what older programs. Okay, we're going to connect this controller, combine it, and we're going to have some fun. And everything is connected, and this is the final result what we're going to get. So we have this gigantic screen inside the controller that's going to be in blast. So let's play some retro games and let's play some games in general and let's have some fun. But with R-Type Delta you can hear that the music is a little bit stuttering. Maybe we can fix it with some tweaking in the emulator itself, but I think with the PlayStation 1 this is, let's say, the latest system we can emulate on this old school tablet. If you want to have better performance, better resolution, I think we will not get this on the very cheap MediaTek tablet. N64 has been always a little bit problematic if it comes to emulation. I would say for a very old MediaTek tablet it runs pretty fine, but if you listen to the music you can hear it again like the PlayStation 1 games, a little bit stuttering. You can tweak it, and there are quite some different emulators out there, you can change them out, but at the end you will get the same result. So N64 will run, it's playable, but it is not perfect. So this concludes this DIY $75 build your own handheld video. I hope you find some inspiration and some new ideas to play your old and Android games. Keep in mind this is a very old tablet, it's for Android 4, so this thing is prehistoric if it comes to the Android version, but still it can emulate quite some different games and can play quite some different Android games. But if you're spending a little bit more cash, you can get yourself a better tablet, and in combination with the Ipega Controller it's pretty damn awesome if you ask me. And it's maybe a very nice option if you want to use the Android Play Store, for example, because if it comes to Android and let's say for example the GXD devices, they are super expensive to buy. But nevertheless, I want to thank you for watching. It would be great to have you here in the Wicked family. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and I will see you in the next video.